Most people think about traditions for Christmas and Thanksgiving, but one of my favorite festive holidays is Halloween. I love to make costumes, whip up treats, and get together my favorite goblins. But when it comes to decorating, I do like to go big with skeletons and spiders and webs, but the real spooky magic happens in the details. And when I was recently looking for creative and interactive decorations for my home, I discovered Lemax Collection's Spooky Town. There are so many different options, from spooky houses to pieces, to create the perfect village for your family. I'm excited to add new pieces each year and pick them out as a family. Lily just absolutely loves all of the moving parts and the ghoulish tunes. It makes it so fun to do as a family. When it comes to decorating and setting up your perfect Halloween village, you can go as big or as small as you want. I like to have one big village set up so it's a conversation starter with my friends. And nothing says Halloween like Spooky Town. And this year, Lemax just introduced the Crazy Clown Express. You can set it up so the train goes throughout your whole village and it lights up. One of my favorites is the Witch's Tower. The witches actually fly through the sky and go through the tower. And you've got a little piece that's a little more friendly, the Mad Pumpkin Patch, or go spooky with Dr. Pins and Needles. The possibilities are endless. You can also go small and decorate areas of your home like a side table or your bedroom or the kitchen. There are so many things that you can do with all of these Spooky Town pieces. For a smaller setup, I'm using my trick-or-treat table. Usually I just put treats on there, but this year I'm gonna add some more friendly pieces from the Lemax Spooky Town collection. You don't always have to go scary. There's friendly things like the Pick Me Pumpkin Wagon, and check out the Grim Balloon, it actually rotates, and the Halloween contest with the cutest pups ever. I love this because it's a perfect welcome to my house when trick-or-treaters come. There are so many great houses and pieces in the Spooky Town collection that the possibilities are endless for decorating around your house. I like to add a small setup on the kitchen counter and even put a few pieces in my bedroom on the dresser. Every year, Lemax adds new pieces to the Spooky Town collection. I'm excited to get to pick out a new house or piece each year to add to our village. It's going to be a fun tradition as a family that we're going to remember for a lifetime. For more inspiration on starting your own village, visit lemaxcollection.com. You can purchase Lemax products at my favorite craft retailer, Michael's Stores, or Sears, Kmart, Ace Hardware, or online retailers, eHobby Tools, and Gift Spice. Happy Halloween, friends!